That's right, guys. It's me, James Swinney, here on the balcony of the NYSE. And guess what? It's a Friday, so that can only mean one thing. It's an early edition of Happy Hour. That's right, it's not 4 o'clock yet. The markets aren't about to close. Well, they are about to close. They're not closed yet. But I will say this, it's time to lift yourself a drink and have yourself a sip of it. Because it's Happy Hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they rose Friday, lifting the S&P 500 and the Dow once again into uncharted territory as investors took in a stronger than expected November payrolls report and more. Now, first, U.S. employers creating 321,000 jobs last month. That's the largest number since January 2012. And then the unemployment rate, that remained unchanged at a 6-year low of 5.8%. This while another report did have orders for U.S. factory goods falling 0.7% in October. And when you combine all of that, as well as a lack of major earnings from big-name companies, you have yourself the combination that paved the way for a session of big gains for the big board as the week nears its close. And you have yourself a session where for every 3 shares falling, roughly 4 rows right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. And let's now take a look to see where the markets are approaching the close of not just the session, but the first full week of December as well. And on the corporate front, Delius saying that it was liquidating assets and would file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in the very near term, therefore becoming the second teen retailer to go out of business in 2 days. And Burger King and Canadian donut shop Tim Hortons expecting to complete their $11 billion tie-up on December 12th following a shareholder vote sometime early next week. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself some Tim Hortons or Burger King. For me, I'm going to grab myself a drink because the weekend is here. And thank goodness, because I really need it. I'm sure you need it too. And until Monday morning, from the Stock Exchange, for ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.